Hi, this is Jonathan Harris from La Tienda. I'm here at our tapas bar and I wanted to show you one of our most popular products, which is a paella grill. When you order a paella grill, you'll get three parts. One is the grill itself. There you go. So this is made in Valencia by one of the biggest producers of paella pans in the country. Secondly, you'll get these red legs that fasten to the bottom of the grill. And finally, an adjustable propane regulator. The great thing about this is it just attaches to a normal propane tank. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our paella burners. There are three parts. There's the burner itself, three legs, and the supports. They're going to be fastened with these bolts and butterfly nuts. The first thing I like to do is flip the paella burner over so that we can easily attach the legs. These legs come with a little screw attachment right here, and they attach to the bottom of the paella burner. So put it down here and then tighten loosely because you might need to move it a little as you assemble it. Next, we're going to attach the supports. Now these need to be attached so that the edge of the support sticks outwards. The first one is the most difficult. What I do is take two of the supports, put the bolt through, and then attach the wing nut. All right. And then next, we'll add the other support to the other side. All right, now we have assembled the paella burner. Be sure to tighten all the bolts at the bottom so that it doesn't slip. This will take you under 10 minutes if you're by yourself. If you have a friend helping, it's just a few minutes of work. You flip it over, and you're ready to cook. Today I'm going to show you how to use a paella burner. They're super simple to use. All you need is a propane tank, a regulator and hose, and a lighter, and you're ready to go. One thing I want to make very clear is this is just a demonstration. Don't cook inside. Always cook with a paella burner outside on your deck or patio. Your regulator is going to come with a small attachment. That's not necessary, so you can just remove that. And then you attach the hose directly to your paella burner. Make sure it's nice and secure. Next, you turn on the tank. This regulator and hose comes with an adjustable gas flow. So this will allow you to adjust depending on the weather. If it's a little windy, you can turn it higher or lower. To start the paella burner, I always start with 1/2 turn. Now to light your paella burner, always start from the inside out. So we turn on the knob just a little bit. You can see the pretty blue flames coming up. And then you go out to the next ring. Some of our paella burners have 3 rings. You just proceed from the inside out. So this is very nice, but when you're outside, it might be a little windy or the light is off, and you won't be able to see the blue flames as well. Just put your hand over it. You can tell that it's on. If you have some good photos or video you want to share with us, please tag us and post on social media, and we'd love to see it. Thanks.